Welcome back to our Seriously Play YouTube channel, where we are going to take on a food challenge from around the world.
Today, we are celebrating the holy month of Ramadan by heading to a pasar malam and trying out some of the best local dishes here.
Yes, we will be buying different types of food for you to try during the visit of this Bazar Ramadhan.
You may check from this website if there are Bazar Ramadan near you.
So, are you ready to explore the bazaar?
Yes, Shin, I'm ready.
Yeah.
Due to heavy rain outside, we have moved into a restaurant called
Ramdhan's Corner
to taste our food.
Hey. Now our first challenge is the roti john.
For some of our viewers who didn't know what is roti john, basically it's our local version of hot dog sandwich.
And this is a popular snack in Malaysia and Singapore, where it's made with a baguette style of a bread and stuffed with the sausage, onion and eggs.
Shin, shall we try it?
Yes, let's do it.
do it.
Okay, let's try and see.
The juice tastes good.
I like the blend of the egg, but I think it's fried with the pan fried with the bread on it. Tastes good.
It's chicken. Shin?
Yes, this one is minced chicken. I think they have other varieties besides the sausage. They have a minced meat also to go with it. So it's up to your choice.
What is the ingredient inside? Cucumber?
Then you have the cucumber and the eggs and onion inside.
Yeah.
And this time we ordered the one with the minced meat.
Also mayonnaise, I think.
The mayonnaise tastes good. And then
This is
there's
a
also
long roti. They
yes,
cut
a baguette.
it. Yeah.
It's a long baguette. Yeah.
It's good.
Okay. There goes our roti john. Lovely,
Yes.
interesting, and delicious. Now we're off to try the second food, which is satay.
Shin, this is also my favorite.
I know.
Okay, this is one of the favorite you can try in Bazar Ramadan. And it can be bought also anywhere, but Bazar Ramadan one is especially tasty.
That's
Let's
true,
try.
Sarah. Yeah, usually this one is made of grilled chicken or grilled beef. Some they have also grilled lamb, served with the cucumber, onion, and of course the peanut sauce. That's the secret of this beautiful and tasty satay. One
They
is
have
definitely not
the
enough,
Nasi
Sarah.
kukus. Nasi kukus.
Nasi impit.
Impit.
Yes.
Yeah.
One is definitely not enough, yeah,
Yeah.
Sarah? Let's try. Ooh. See with the peanut sauce. Yeah.
Wow, so fast. Wow, I can't. Sekaligus lah you can eat. But it tastes good. Even without the sauce. Even without the sauce, it tastes good.
I love the marinade. Very tasty.
How about cucumber?
Fine.
Next food we're going to try is ayam kunting.
For the benefit of everyone, ayam gunting usually served with cheese sauce and different spices. And it's called ayam gunting because after the big piece is fried, we usually cut it in small pieces.
Ramadan season, and you can also find it in pasar malam.
Yes, I'm excited to try. Are you ready?
Yes,
Sarah?
let's try.
Come.
So, are we having two types?
Yes,
one
I think
is
there's
spicy.
one with the
This is
some
original?
spices, yes, chili spices. Then the other one's not original.
Okay, I want to try the original.
Okay, let me try the spicy one. This ayam gunting best served when it's hot, piping hot. I think I have some spice powder inside.
Yeah, but not so
Is it
spicy.
spicy? No, right? Good. I highly recommend. It's a favorite snack. Who doesn't love fried stuff, right? I love very much. How about you, Sarah?
Yeah. Can this eat with rice?
I think you can.
Yeah. It's good.
Try the original one. I think this one less chili, that's all. You still have the 5 spice powder here.
So which one do you like?
That's a different taste, but I prefer the spicier one.
Then I prefer the normal one.
The next food we're going to try is a nasi kerabu, and the famous in this Bazar Ramadan.
I think it's famous in Kelantan also.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, Shin, this nasi kerabu is type of nasi ulam. And it's blue color rice eaten with dry fish and fried chicken, crackers, bingos and other salads.
Yes, that's true. And did you know the blue color on this rice is actually made from the natural dye of the flower called the bunga telang or the butterfly pea flower?
Oh, is it?
Yes, it's a natural food dye, so don't worry, there's no
okay.
coloring. It's a natural coloring of it. Yes.
Right. I thought that the rice is actually blue itself.
No, it's actually from the petals, the flower petals of bunga telang.
Is it the bunga ungu? That type?
Yes, it's a purple one, very small, tiny flower.
Okay, I
Yes,
know,
that's
I
the
know.
one. Yes, correct. Shall we try it?
Yes.
Okay, let's try. Ooh, the ulang, the chili look nice.
I think you have to mix with tauge.
That's the ulang.
Okay. Oh, in Malay you call it ulam.
I love the keropok. The interesting part about dessert we love in the Bazar Ramadan is the kuih muih. Yeah. Today we have the onde-onde and the kuih talam.
And why the kuih talam is in brown?
Yeah, usually it's in green rice, Sarah.
Why?
I think they
Oh,
want
the
to.
wrong one?
No, I think that I like it because it features the gula melaka, which is a local kind of sweet I like.
So this is made out of glutinous rice?
Yes, it is.
Alright. So shall we try the food?
Yeah.
With hand?
Yes, but let's introduce a little bit about this kuih muih. I really like sometimes is when you actually go to the bazaar, you can see a lot of vibrant colors there because it gives off a very festive kind of a feeling. I really like and interesting and fun to look at.
Yes.
Yeah, shall we try it?
Yes. What
Very
is this called?
sticky.
Undi-undi?
Onde-onde.
Onde-onde.
Kuih talam. It has a glutinous right at the bottom. On top, there's a sugar kind of feeling.
Oh, inside is a gula melaka, is it? Wow, Shin, what a fun and delicious experience. We had a great time trying
Yes,
out
I
all
do.
the food. What do you think?
Yes, definitely, Sarah. We hope you like watching this content as much as we do filming it.
And so don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more challenges we will do in the future.
Don't forget to follow our social media to have more fun content like this.
And we would like to send our Salam Ramadan to all our Muslim viewers.
Again, don't take life seriously.
Have fun and play and
we are out.